Good morning, everybody. It's from Jayshree. I'm going to take types of logistic regression under the unit of fundamentals of machine learning, which is under the title of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay. Still now we have seen the linear regression and logistic regression. In the linear regression, the independent variables depend on the dependent variables. Okay. Whereas in logistic regression, it is nothing but the discrete values. Okay. Or classification of the problems. That is what here. And the basics of these categories, logistic regression can be classified into three types. Okay. Number one, binomial. Number two, multinomial. At last, ordinal. Okay. So let us see in detail. Before going to see in detail, we have to see the definitions. Okay. In the binomial logistic regression, there can be only two possible types of dependent variables such as 1 or 0, pass or fail, etc. Whereas in multinomial logistic regression, there can be three or more possible unordered types of dependent variables such as cats, dogs, and sheep. Whereas in ordinal regression, there can be three or more possible ordered types of dependent variables such as low, medium, or high. Okay. Let us see each type in detail. Okay. This is what binary logistic regression. Logistic regression is primarily used for the classification task used in machine learning. Okay. The binary logistic regression used for predicting binary outcomes, yes or no, or 0 or 1. Applies the logistic function to model the probability of one class versus the other. Okay. Next, output. The probability score between the 0 and 1, often threshold at 0.5 to classify the result into one of the two categories. Okay. This is what binary logistic regression. Okay. Next one is what? Multinomial regression, logistic regression. So multinomial regression extends the binary logistic regression to handle the multiple classes. Okay. Multinomial logistic regression extends the binary logistic regression to handle the multiple classes. Model the probabilities of each class using the softmax function, which generalize the logistic function for multiple categories. This is what the mechanism used in the machine learning. Here it models the probability of each class. It has a multiple classes, right? As the name itself, we can identify it as a multiple class, right? So this models the probability of each class using the softmax function, which generalizes the logistic function for multiple categories. Probability distribution across all possible classes, allowing for the prediction of the class which has the highest probability. Okay. Next one is what? Ordinal logistic regression. So ordinal logistic regression is used for predicting outcomes with a natural order but no fixed intervals between the categories. Okay. The mechanism is based on the cumulative probabilities of being at or below each category threshold using a cumulative link function. The probability of outcome falling into a particular category or below it, reflecting the order nature of the categories. Okay. It is used for predicting the outcome with natural order but no fixed intervals between the categories. That is what ordinal logistic regression. This mechanism models the cumulative probabilities of being at or below each category threshold using the cumulative link function. Probability of the outcome falling into the particular category or below it, reflecting the ordered nature of the categories. These are the three types of logistic regression. Number one, binomial. Number two, multinomial. Number three, ordinal. Okay. At last, conclusion. Each type of logistic regression adapts a fundamental concept of modeling probabilities to different kinds of classification problems, enabling its application across various domains and data scenarios. Okay. This is very important for the classification problems and enabling its application across the various domains. So thank you all. Thank you.